Hi guys, I don't know if you can see that, but we're having a rain dump. Nice little rain dump. I shut my bedroom window. Come on, settle down. Let me have a look at the weather map. Let me have a look at the weather. It wasn't forecast as rain. Rain, then lightning. Oh, there is lightning as well. I saw some. Oh, that's unusual. And it's not forecast, there it is. There's a nice big flash somewhere. Oh, I was listening to that stupid, I don't know, it's not Iron Man, it's the Avengers. I haven't seen any outside the window. I did close it, but it was hitting the window. My bed is right there. There's quite a bloody storm coming. Where's the bloody come from? Oh, it's coming from, where are we on the map? There's Campbelltown. All going to be around us. Campbelltown. Here we are. It's right in the thick of it. Gotta love the weather map. Another one coming over. Not seen any lightning yet here. Apparently it is lightning. Okay, I'll keep you updated. I'll post this one now. Our weather's gone kaflooey. That's the rain cloud, I should imagine that one. And it's gone right. Can't I push on that? No, can't. Smithfield's up there where I was. Now I'm here. Sydney is way over there. What is our temperature? 29 degrees. Wollongong is way down there. They haven't got any. Yeah, not seen that heavy rain for a while. I thought we were going to get some today. Everyone was mowing their lawn. Everyone was getting the lawns mowed. And I think she stopped. Stopped here anyway. No lightning? Come on. Give us a little bit of lightning. No, no lightning. Okay, not here anyway. Somewhere in Campbelltown's getting it. I think she stopped here. In our little section. God, I love these cameras. How much closer you can get to the tiles on that roof. Okay guys, happy hands, happy tingling. There's our little weather map again. Someone's copied it. I'll let you know later on. When we do a live, we'll do a live. Okay, bye-bye.